मानसी ऑलवेजली।
वेल हमारे पास सिर्फ 1.5 घंटे नहीं 1 hour 15 minutes है IKEA पहुंचने के लिए एंड वी हैव टू रीच ऑन टाइम। नहीं तो पता नहीं शायद हमें एंट्री ना मिले और we'll figure it। some टोकन सिस्टम है वहाँ पे। तूने कितने दिन पहले टोकन लिया था उनमें?
5 days।
Oh my God, 5 days पहले टोकन लिया। So I hope crowd ना हो ज्यादा। I think crowd handle करने के लिए they have started the token system and so we don't want to miss it and late भी होना चाहते। So I hope we reach on time, but that doesn't mean rash driving, okay? So I'm dialing the IKEA number, customer care, and we'll check with them. Okay, कि हम 2:15 बजे पहुंचे और मेरी कॉफी का थोड़ा टाइम मिल सकता है कि नहीं। For 2 PM.
2 PM, okay.
Yeah, so can you tell me if we reach by 2:15, will we still get the entry? Is it fine? We are stuck in traffic.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Now your name now, please.
So token is on the name of Tanmay.
Tanmay, okay. Nothing to worry, ma'am. We have the buffer time also is there now. If you reach around 2:30 also, nothing to worry, ma'am.
Okay, that's superb. And can you tell me if it is not very crowded, no?
Yeah, it's not very crowded, ma'am. We are having very limited customers only night, ma'am, so it's not much crowded.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Is there anything else apart from this?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day, ma'am. Be safe.
Yeah. Yay! We can have our coffee now in between. Woohoo! Well, that's Nakul.
Hi.
Hi, Nakul.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Very much, barring the fact that I had to wait for Tanmay so long. But
How long did you wait for?
I think I waited for almost 45 minutes.
What?
45 minutes. Tanmay could easily pass the blame on the traffic. But
And on me.
no, I'm happy.
He passed the blame on traffic and me.
I think that's one of the reasons for my mood change.
Cool. So we're all excited to go to IKEA. And we are here finally. IKEA नहीं किया तो क्या किया? IKEA. लेने कुछ वाले हैं हम? If someone doesn't have the token, they can come, right?
Yeah.
And like यहाँ पे आके
Spot registration over here.
spot registration. Okay. Thank you. Where are you going?
IKEA.
वो तो है, but अभी क्या? Like we need to figure out now which floor first. Hi. So is there any index or something? Like कौन से floor पे क्या है?
Yes, we have a map here.
Oh yeah, there's a map.
So you're on L1 right now. L1 basically.
So we started checking out IKEA from the first floor and saw some beautiful indoor artificial plants, and we headed on to the kitchen appliances. So we are showing the kitchen here, and
It's damn cheap.
This
and
is
a
for
good
how
quality.
much?
4,000.
This only is such a cute coffee table.
Store also.
Oh, this
This is
shower
absolutely like a
curtain.
compact studio house.
That's a cute little house, yeah.
5,000.
Is there like a thing where you can stay in IKEA
Listen,
Airbnb.
this I'm buying for my house. This is just for 5,000. So all 3 drawers together.
It's very nice.
And this is for 1,000.
One night in IKEA.
Huh? Yeah,
I
one
love
night
this
in
cute
IKEA.
bed,
See,
yeah.
this I can keep with my own clip magazine.
Yeah.
मैं बर्थडे को सबको बोलूँगा भाई यहाँ से लिस्ट में दे देता हूँ.
There's nothing that I
I'm telling
dislike.
you.
I love this also.
Listen, check the price of this, no?
This was around 3,000. This was around
This is
3,000.
cover.
No, it's
No, but you
outside.
can get a cover. I have a tire.
And there is a price outside.
That's a cover.
Hey, this is for one second. What? Are you serious?
No,
The
this is
boys
for
have
1,000.
gone mad.
Oh
This is for
no!
1,000.
The boys have gone mad.
It's for 149
Yeah.
rupees.
That's a mat. Oh, that's very cheap, yeah?
No, it's not for 149. It's for
Yeah.
1,000.
Ha, he's right.
So this is what.
And it's very comfortable.
I really like it, yeah.
So for those of you who don't know about IKEA, let me tell you. IKEA is a Swedish brand and it sells everything you could need to make your apartment feel like a home. There's everything from beds to sofas, decor items, dining tables, chairs, and even organizational tools.
So basically they're showing how we can design according to us. Like see, this is 3-seater, 1-seater, the corner, and it will be like a L shape.
Okay, yeah. So what if I want to buy
this cart? No, there's a cart. So guess the cost for this one is 1,29,000.
1,29,000. And how comfortable is it?
It's damn good.
One very important thing you have to keep in mind while shopping from IKEA, that whatever you like, whatever piece you like, and if it's big to carry, there's a sofa or whatever, you have to keep taking pictures of the price tags. And at the billing counter, there's a huge cargo store area from where you'll have to find your product and then take it to the billing counter.
Basically, they're showing on this that it's like a 1 BHK. It's like 480 1 BHK. So according to 1 BHK, they designed the whole space. So you can collect or maybe design the whole house like that.
By IKEA.
Yeah, by.
You can get your whole house designed by IKEA.
Yeah, it starts from balcony. And it has a balcony floor also. The
amazing part of shopping from IKEA is that the furniture they sell, it does not need any carpenters to be assembled. So with the help of their guides, you can DIY an entire bed for yourself. And actually the stuff that I saw at IKEA is so affordable, so reasonable, and looks very elegant, classy. Actually it looks expensive, but it is in a very affordable price. So you cannot not buy anything from IKEA. This is a bet. So right now we are at the kitchen section, and as you can see, we have different interior designs of kitchen setups. There's pink color, there's grey color, there's white color kitchen, there are colors of different tiles. Now we move on forward to a bedroom and a 1 BHK setup. So they have actually, such different kind of 1 BHKs, fully interior done. And you can choose what product will go with your house, with your room, and just click a picture of that item and then find it at the billing counter, the store, as I told you. Click a picture of the tag of that item and you'll get the number, and you can also order it online if you don't feel like buying it at that particular time. Very classy. Better than that one.
See, and
different color setups we saw there, and beautiful objects, very homely, very cozy. You actually feel like as if they're so beautiful and so clean, and you feel like buying them. So we are at the bed section right now. As I told you, they are all DIY beds. You can actually try and assemble it yourself, and if not, I think they have IKEA helpers also who can help. And there is a foolproof exchange of the products also possible. See, like you can see right now, they have made a whole bedroom setup. The ladies are checking out the almirah space and everything. The bed is so beautiful. The carpets, the sofa. It's a whole room setup. You wanted these cushions?
Yeah, I'm just getting these, and I'm getting this.
Now we accidentally came to a very interesting section. This was whole mirror section, and there were beautiful mirrors with lights, round mirrors, square, rectangle, whatever shape you want. And they were movable, like a movable dressing room, which I always wanted. And after this, we move on to a very interesting section, the kiddie section. Well, the kiddie section was very, very interesting. We saw lots of kid stuff, which was so cute. Like, look at this bunker bed. Like, I would just jump away right now. Even as an adult, I can just go jump away right now. So there were a lot of bunker beds we saw, different designs, new designs, and kids would actually love to, you know, go and sleep there. Everything looked very calm and very clean. Sometimes when you come back home from the school, you know, you feel as if, you know, it's so boring as a kid. But, you know, with such small cute changes in the house, in the room, the kids can actually feel that the house is so interesting, and, you know, they actually feel overjoyed with such cute things. Like, look at this pretty floral themed room. Imagine having it for your baby girl. So whatever your kids' room is at the moment, there's plenty in the IKEA range to help you make it all possible, whatever you've dreamt for your kids. Also, all of their baby textiles are soft and easy to clean. Imagine getting a furniture, DIY furniture for your kids, and, you know, making it with your kid. That will be so interesting. Like, they will be overjoyed with the fact that they have made their own almirah, and they've made their own beds, they've made their own study table, that they would actually then sit there and study. As you can see, there's lots of variety in the colors, the designs. We were at the study table counter, and lots of colors. I don't know why the boys are overjoyed seeing the kids' furniture, but I was definitely overjoyed. This map definitely reminds me of the metro, Delhi Metro or Mumbai Metro if you have travelled, the metro map. We were looking for food and we were thinking, where's food counter, and to our surprise, the food counter was so big and they were serving people in such an organized way, such a clean, hygienic way. So finally, after 3-4 hours, you can take some time to relax and refresh.
But he forgot to get the trays for us.
एक दाल मखनी and chapatis bhi hai kya?
No, we don't have chapatis.
What do we have here?
So ma'am, this is for your chicken balls.
Chicken
Dal,
balls?
makhni, chicken balls.
Chicken balls?
That's what this is.
Chicken meatballs.
I know.
It's okay, whatever.
Thank you.
And this is another rice, ma'am.
Should we start with the nuggets?
Yes.
I'm having chicken after ages because my birthday के कारण avoid कर रही थी. Thank you so much. Very smart of IKEA to give us such yummy food that we get the energy again to shop more. And so yes, we got up again to check out more stuff. Now we are at the LED light section area, and you can see these beautiful flower shaped and heart shaped lights, the cute cat shaped lights, butterfly that you can use for your kids' room or even your living room. Those footballs, those lamps. So we are at the lamp section right now, and they had a huge variety in lamps, huge. So such kind of lamps you can use for your shoots, or you can even put keep them at your study tables. Very classy designs, very minimalistic designs, and there were lamps that were made from recycled plastic and polyester to give you, you know, double the benefit. The planet gets less plastic and you get even more light. There were bulbs, energy saving bulbs especially. That's the last section we saw, the carpet section, and there were beautiful designs. Again, not very expensive. I also bought one.
We had to get a
shopping. Tanmay, are you happy with the shopping? Nakul has not bought anything.
I'm going to come next weekend.
We'll see.
I've shortlisted the things which I'm going to buy.
When we see it on your social media, then we'll
I'm going to drag
believe
you
it. No, thank you. We are not coming again. So finally we saw the IKEA Mumbai, which is in Navi Mumbai. It was a splendid, amazing experience. Cannot explain more. You have to go and see it.
Actually बहुत बड़ा है. मतलब हमें 7-8 घंटे almost हम IKEA में अंदर थे, and the food. I think we had food twice, no?
Twice.
And they are also very smart. उन्हें पता है कि घूम के भूख लग जाएगी, तो उन्होंने बीच में भी लंच के टाइम पे भी, you know, there was buffet, and after once we have done the billing, उसके बाद भी food का काउंटर था.
Yes,
so yeah, very smart IKEA guys. We know what you did there.
Yes.
Yeah, good workout.
Ooh.